You know what's the most annoying thing about these masks? Aside from fogged up glasses, you can't unlock your smartphone if you're running Face ID. So today I will show you how you can unlock your iPhone even if you're wearing a mask. What up guys, welcome back to another episode. My name is Eddie Bear and I know I have been absent, but now I returned with a horrible non-existing haircut and a bunch of cool videos in my backpack. The first one I will show you today is a short one cause I wanted to help you in your daily lives, cause the most annoying thing about the whole face mask thing is you always have to enter your PIN into your smartphone in order to unlock it. Thankfully, Apple came up with a solution where you can unlock your iPhone if you're wearing an Apple Watch. But for this, you need to have the latest and greatest iOS and Apple Watch OS. For this to work, you will at least need iOS 14.5 and watchOS 7.4. At the moment, these versions are beta versions, but they will be released shortly, so the trick I'm going to show you today will work once those software updates are released. Once you updated your devices, you will have to manually enable this feature. For this, go to Settings, head all the way to Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, and there go all the way to Apple Watch. Unlock with Apple Watch. iPhone can use your Apple Watch to unlock when Face ID detects a face with a mask. Your Apple Watch must be nearby, on your wrist, unlocked and protected by a passcode. So if you enable it, it will take a minute and it will automatically set it to on. Now here's the funny part. Face ID isn't replaced by your Apple Watch. You still have to have a visual of your face in order to unlock your phone. So let's say I'm covering my face with my hand and trying to unlock my phone. You can see it does not unlock the phone unless I'm moving my hand away from my face. Now let's see what happens if I put on a mask. If I now take my iPhone, it will automatically unlock the phone easily. This, by the way, even works if you're wearing sunglasses. And even if you go full undercover with a hat, sunglasses and a mask, Face ID will still unlock your phone. You also get a haptic feedback on your Apple Watch that the iPhone has been unlocked. And another really cool thing is if you're wearing a helmet like this one here for sport or when you're driving a motorcycle or whatnot, you can now finally unlock your smartphone with the help of your Apple Watch. As you can see, this little new feature can be helpful in so many ways and will certainly increase the quality of Face ID and also of our daily lives. If you don't want to wait until Apple releases the final versions, you can sign up for the free open developer beta at apple.com. Also a little personal note, I now have my own merch. I have a bunch of cool videos lined up for the next few weeks with really cool products. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's make 2021 better than 2020.